पैंट ठीक कर लेता हूँ. ओके सो हाय. शक्ल दिखाने लायक नहीं है तो छुपा देता हूँ. चुप गई. सो oh, I forget, it's not Instagram, so I can't start with a so. Yes, I can take a pause. I can take a pause because ये Instagram नहीं है. This is the privilege I always wanted. To not have that pressure of a pause कि oh fuck भाग जाएगा. There is another reel waiting for him. So this is the privilege that YouTube has given us. Because it takes an effort कि थोड़ा सा rotate करना पड़ेगा, back जाना पड़ेगा. And effort से याद आया, I started YouTube with this intention that I want people to take an effort to see me. Like there is so much of effort on YouTube. You go click there on that video, then you full screen it, फिर आप उसको horizontal करके देखते हो, and that is what makes YouTube YouTube, man. And this is funny that I'm saying this after being on Instagram for last 2 years, leaving YouTube when I actually started to get some views. But I don't know मैंने क्यों छोड़ा YouTube. और छोड़ा क्या मतलब, I just started it and then left it. मतलब I started it in 2021, फिर 2022 में गलत दोस्त की संगत में आ गया प्रथम पलेरिया. सो I shifted to Instagram there because he was more interested in Instagram. So Instagram पे वीडियोस डाले फिर. So अभी वो सब बातें नहीं. So the intention to make this video is to like कोई intention ही नहीं है. Like this is how I want to do YouTube. I want to keep it very raw because Instagram पे बहुत pressure है. मतलब for the last, मतलब कब से बोलूँ, आई हैव बिन स्क्रिप्टिंग वीडियोज़. मेरे को हमेशा से ये प्रिविलेज चाहिए थी. लाइक आई कैन जस्ट सिट एंड टॉक अबाउट वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक वेयर देर इज़ नो स्क्रिप्ट कि आई हैव टू थिंक ऑफ दिस एंड देन से दिस. फिर वो इतने सारे रीटेक्स, it's so exhausting. And still you are on 450 followers. And here I am ahead you. For anyone who is not having a YouTube channel, I have 300 more subscribers than you. And you have got 150,000 more platelets than me because I am going through dengue. So yes, my YouTube subscribers and platelet counts are very similar to each other at this moment. Maybe they grow at the same rate. Cheers. But yeah, it's fun to talk like this without having to think twice about reach, because even if it ends up getting no video, no views, it's less awkward. So it's good. Lately I have been thinking a lot about, like, this is a finger. This was my initial thought. This is my finger. Then this is my body. Then my body is at this place. This is my home. My home is at my city. Then my city is in my state. State is in my country. And then there is that ocean. I'm really sorry for this, but yes, then there is that oceans. And yes, that is something I am in love with, oceans. So I've been reading a lot about oceans. I won't split the gyan out ki what I discovered about it, but the thing is I just got to know one thing very interesting, ki we're exactly where we should be. That is how the animal kingdom works. how the wildlife works. And at the end of the day, if we don't consider evolution, we are mammals. So it works the same for us as well. Like, this is where I should be exactly, like I am at my home right now, and this is where I should be exactly at this point of time, because मेरा placement preparation नहीं हुआ है. So I got dengue and I got back home. So as soon as I'll get prepared, so I'll get back to Pune. So this is where I should be at this point of time. That is so funny, but that's true. Or you can say it any way you want to, like wherever you are, who are you with. That is, you there is no place for you to complain, there is no space for you to complain. Like, how can you complain about it? Oh my fucking god, I'm not recording. Oh, नहीं कर रहा हूँ, record हो रहा है. So there is no place for complaining about it. How can you complain? Like, so that is something that is, so I'm like questioning everything with that one statement I've like thought of at that point. कि अगर एक लाइक हिमालयस में स्नो लेपर्ड होता है. स्नो लेपर्ड is similar to a leopard. Their numbers are of course less than what the number of leopards are, and there is very something which is very interesting about them is that their nails and their teeth, the उनके जो दांत होते हैं वो काफ़ी पतले होते हैं as compared to any other leopard that are found like in the Asian region or anywhere which is not like जहाँ पे ठंड ना हो उतनी. तो वहाँ पे जो लेपर्ड पाए जाते हैं उनके कंपैरिजन में जो स्नो लेपर्ड है उनके जो दांत होते हैं उससे काफ़ी पतले होते हैं. एंड देयर बॉडी इज़ वेरी थिक फॉर द ऑब्वियस रीज़न, बिकॉज वहाँ पे ठंड ज़्यादा है. सो दैट एंड वाई दांत पतले बिकॉज जो वहाँ पे शिकार है उनके, दे आर हैविंग वेरी रिजिड बॉडी. चूँकि ठंड है, एज द स्नो लेपर्ड हिमसेल्फ इज हैविंग अ रिजिड बॉडी. बाकी जो जानवर है उनकी बॉडी भी काफ़ी रिजिड होती है. सो दे हैव गॉट लॉन्ग एंड थिन टिप्स, जिससे लाइक उनको ग्रैब करना ईजी हो. सो दैट लाइक दिस इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग, बट दैट इज़ सो फैसिनेटिंग एज वेल कि there is so much of detailing that is being done by nature in creating what it has created, and then put that person at that place where it fits the best. So I thought it applies to us as well. So मैं फिर मेरा एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस शुरू हो गया वहाँ से कि मैं कहाँ फिट बैठता हूँ. तो अभी तो घर पे हो एंड अभी नहीं समझ रहा है कुछ. सो फिर सोचा यूट्यूब ही कर लेता हूँ. देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. लाइक मैंने ये भी प्लान किया है कि आई समडे डू सम रिएक्शन वीडियोज़ ऑन माई वीडियोज़ ओनली, कि बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी वीडियोज़ दैट आर सो मिसअंडरस्टूड. Of course, I've not got millions of views, that they tend to be misunderstood, but that's fun. I would love to explain them, because there has been some detailing which went unnoticed, or maybe I was not able to explain it that well or display it that well. जैसे हमने जो रिलेशनशिप वाला वीडियो किया था, रिलेशनशिप बोल रहा हूँ, हाँ वही, टॉकिंग स्टेज वॉज पार्ट 1. Then we did part 2, which was relationship. Then we are planning part 3 as well. So part 1 में the girl was different, and part 2 में the girl was different, and part 3 में the girl will be जो part 1 में थी talking stage वाली. Like part 1 में there was Suhani, then we had Sejal part 2 में, and in part 3 again we'll be having Suhani. So इसका रीज़न ये था, like I thought for part 1 talking stage में एक इंसान होता है, वो हमारे लिए काफ़ी अलग होता है. Like when we are talking to someone, that person is completely different. Not completely different, but when we actually get into a relationship with the same person, there is something, like there is a lot of difference. The person changes, the way we see that person changes. Like when you are in love, then you see someone, people differently, is what I have felt. So that's why we thought of like we thought of not featuring Suhani in the second video, and then Sejal did wonders there for sure. And then in part 3 again we'll be having Suhani, जो part 1 वाली लड़की है. The reason is simple because when again we gets apart, तो फिर से हम देखते हैं कि ओ फक इट वाज आई वॉज जस्ट सो इन लव विद दैट पर्सन दैट आई कैन सी कि वो तो वैसा ही था. इट वॉज जस्ट मी हु वॉज जस्ट इन दैट जोन कि उसको मैंने ये समझ लिया वो समझ लिया. सो ओके, पॉइंटलेस है दिस डिटेलिंग एंड इट विल गो अननोटिस. या अननोटिस भी, ये नोटिस होने वाली बात भी नहीं है मे बी. सी हाउ easily I get in my denial stage. ओके सो 11 मिनट हो गए, पॉज करना चाहिए क्या या बोलते रहो. मैनी ऑफ यू वुड हैव लेफ्ट बाय नाउ. आई थिंक आई विल बी द ओनली वन हु विल बी सीइंग दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. शायद मैं भी नहीं देखूँगा. बैठे बैठे प्लेटलेट्स काउंट तो बढ़ गए हो गए. My mother did this aesthetics. There was time when in January मैंने अपने बाल कटवाए थे, पूरे ही कटवा दिए थे, सिर्फ बाल ही नहीं. एंड देन व्हेन आई सी वो वाले फ़ोटो, उस टाइम तो मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था भाई कि क्या सेक्सी दिख रहा हूँ मैं, बस कट किया ये वो. अभी देखता भाई क्या चूतिया लग रहा था. एंड दैट इज़ सो इंटरेस्टिंग. लाइक अभी भी शायद मेरे को लग रहा है कि भाई क्या मस्त वीडियो बन रहा है, बैकग्राउंड अच्छा है, मेरी शक्ल नहीं दिख रही है. पर यही वीडियो यही बात है कुछ साल बाद सुनूंगा, आई विल बी लाइक थ्रैशिंग ओवर माई सेल्फ. दिस सो फनी. मैं वो वीडियो देख रहा था कुछ टाइम पहले अपना खुद का ही, व्हेन आई हैड नो हेयर. आई रिमेंबर द कॉन्फिडेंस विथ विच आई वेंट टू कॉलेज. मेरे को लगा भाई बस कट किया है तो अब तो अच्छा ही दिख रहा होगा मैं. आई फॉरगॉट कि बस कट करने से नहीं होता, यू नीड अ फिजिक एज वेल फॉर दैट. सो इट्स फाइन दैट आई रियलाइज इट लेट. अच्छा है उस टाइम रियलाइज नहीं हुआ, नहीं तो आई वुड हैव बिन okay fine. I would love to know like what do you guys think that I should do on YouTube. I have really no idea, but I just want to be very raw. Like I just want to show this side of myself because मैं ज़्यादा social नहीं हूँ. So this is the only way we can communicate. And it's not something I have to tell you. You guys know it very well. And I always think like it's so funny, like there are so many friends of mine who have been a part of my videos and who comments there, who shares my video, and we didn't even had a conversation for like 10 to 15 minutes this whole college life. That's sick. बुरा लगता है. I feel like we should do this for sure. And that's why doing this I always tend to involve those people like who have been a part of this throughout this 2 years. I try to involve that people in my videos. Like I want them to be a part of it because I want to have this conversation, and it's a tough thing for me, to be honest. I can't hold on to conversation for long. I don't know why the fuck I'm so antisocial. सी मैं पिछले कितने मिनट से बोल रहा हूँ, 14 मिनट से बोल रहा हूँ. एंड आई लाइक थोड़ा ऐसे भी बैठ जाओ ना, यू विल थिंक दैट इट्स अ इमेज नॉट अ वीडियो. आई कैन बी सो स्टिल, आई कैन बी सो, एंड दैट्स स्केयर्स द फक आउट ऑफ मी कि वाई एम आई सो. आई हैव सीन पीपल बीइंग सो क्लमजी and that's so attractive. Someday I'll be like, yeah, I want that part of them. But then who wants to be himself? No one wants to be himself. I don't think so. Who the fuck say be yourself? Don't be yourself. Hate yourself. chair is riding me crazy. One thing I didn't. Okay, I think we should stop here. काफ़ी बोर हो जाओगे तुम लोग. But just tell me how you guys want me to do on this platform like YouTube पे कैसे videos डालने चाहिए, how should I upload, like what should be the content. Of course, like I'm here at home, so अभी friends को involve नहीं कर सकता. I want to involve my friends as well. Will be having conversations. या vlogging is something I was thinking about कि vlogging करते हैं, but that's not my cup of tea. Like I can be a really good selfie stick, but I can't talk in front of camera about my daily routine. So because there is no routine, like that is the thing. I can talk, but there is no routine. There is no life. Like there has to be something you can show अपने दोस्तों को. So there is nothing. So uh, that's why no vlogging. But yeah, we can try different stuffs. So please let me know in the comments below. This is the only sentence that made me feel like this is a YouTube video. Okay, bye.